What is going on, YouTube land? I am Chris Catalunya. Before we get into this video, go ahead and check out my Instagram on the bottom left, Chris Catalunya with the underscore at the end. If you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, I would greatly appreciate it. And if you like this video by the end of it, hit me up with a thumbs up. All right, let's get into the video. So I am at my apartment complex right now. I'm walking to my bus station. It's about 6:30 in the morning, but I wanted to get this video up and off and on the way. Now, if you didn't know, today is week 20 of spring summer 2018, and the most hyped item for this week are the kayak, the life vest, and the Supreme towel. Now, the kayak is supposed to retail for about $500. The life vest is supposed to retail for about $130, and the towel I think is $70. Now, my main objective today is to get the kayak, so we'll see what happens. All right, so now I'm here at work. As you can see, standing behind me, I'm not too sure who's training on the field right now, but yeah, I'm here at work. And so the item that I'm going for again is the kayak. Now, I'm kind of confused because this kayak normally, without the Supreme branding, straight from the Packlite website, it retails for about $300. So I don't know if this $500 price point is even accurate. That's been supplied by Drops by Jay or Supreme Community. I kind of anticipate the boat being maybe $350, maybe $400, but I guess we will see when these items actually drop in a couple hours here. I do like the life vest. I think that's what most people are going to go for because it's at an attainable price range. But that's something that I'm not going to pick up first. I'm definitely going to cart the kayak first, and then the life vest if I have enough time, and then the towel if I have enough time. So I guess we'll see in a couple hours here. Let's take the time to appreciate this gloominess that Austin, Texas has right now, because normally the weather is like 100 degrees and I'm like burning hot, and it's humid here in Texas. So I'm just enjoying this gloomy weather right now. All right, guys, so there's about 30 minutes until the drop actually happens for the US. Now, I'm taking a look at the Supreme Community website. The drop has already happened in Europe, and looking at it, the first item to go is the Supreme Life Vest at like 24 seconds in a size medium. And then the small vest, and then the large vest at 42 seconds. And I'm surprised to see that the kayak actually went in 77 seconds. So that's over a minute that the kayak was sitting. So I don't know what I should be going for here in the States. I think Americans tend to be more outdoorsy, so I definitely think the kayak is gonna go faster than a minute, but I guess we'll see. Oh, and the towel went at 33 seconds. Also, it says at the very top of this page that Europe experienced some checkout issues. I don't know what those are, and hopefully we don't get any checkout issues today. I'm still going to stay on my strategy where I go for the kayak first and then one of the vests. I really don't need the vest for myself, so I'll just get whatever vest sizing is left. And taking a look at the layout, since these items already dropped in Europe, all these items, the life vest, the kayak, the towel, they're going to fall in the accessories field. So if you're refreshing your accessories page, the item is going to look like this. It's going to be the kayak first, the life vest second, and then the towel last. And there's actually a red and white towel. Now, if you're refreshing from the new category, in 37th position is going to be the kayak, then the life vest in 38, and then 39 is going to be the two towels, the red and the white towel. So now I'm going to go back to my office and make sure that the autofill is working so we don't have any issues, and so we can check out hella quick. All right, so it's about 9:59. The drop happens at 10 o'clock Central Standard Time. I already tested out my autofill with some other items, making sure that everything checks out fine, because you don't want anything to go wrong when you're trying to purchase your item. So right now it's just a waiting game. I'm in the accessories field. I'm not in the new field, especially since I know where these items are going to drop respectively. The kayak's going to be in the first field. The life vest is going to be in the second field, and then the third field is going to be that towel. So we'll see what happens in a couple seconds here. About 20 seconds left before the drop happens. And if you're on a Mac, what you're going to want to do to refresh the page so you don't actually go to the refresh icon is hit Command and R. And if you're on PC, just keep clicking F5. So I'm just refreshing here. A couple seconds left. And here's the drop. I open a new window for the vest. Here's the kayak, add to cart, check out now. Autofill on point, process payment, let's go. I need to go back to the kayak, or so the life vest. It's already sold out. Oh, what the heck? Check out, process payment. Oh my God. Oh shit. Okay, so the life vest sold out. I'm being greedy. I'll try to get them in one cart. Let's see. Is it still available? Alright. Oh my God. Am I going to get this kayak or what? Hopefully the vest is in there too. And, okay, I got the kayak. The vest didn't go through. Ugh. But it's all good. I got the kayak. That's my main objective. All right, guys. So as you saw, I was able to cart the kayak. I tried to get the kayak and the vest in one cart because I was being freaking greedy, knowing that it's week 20 already. I didn't get the vest, got the kayak, and I guess Supreme Community and Drops by Jay were actually right this time. It was $4.98 for the kayak, and then add $10 for shipping and handling. I'm actually waiting for Supreme Community to update with the times, and right now they still have week 19 times. They don't have week 20 this week yet. So while we wait for those times to come up, let's talk about resale. Now, looking on StockX right now, since I guess that's the standard across the board now, the kayak looks like it's going for about $620. That was actually the last sale, $620, and the highest bid right now is about $600. Looking at the vest, and I think this is just all sizes. So the lowest ask is in a size small is $230. But the highest bid is for a medium, $260. Again, these life vests retailed for, I think, $130. And if we're gonna throw in the towel, no pun intended, the towel right now on StockX is going for about 90 bucks, $91, and that retailed again for about $70. So it's not too much of a markup for these towels. I actually am not a fan of this towel. I wish it was like 2017, I think it was fall winter 2017 towel. That one looked legit. This towel looks plain as fuck. All right, so the sellout times are up on the website on Supreme Community. So let's look at it. Shorts, how are shorts the first thing to sell? I am so thrown right now. Okay, so the first item to sell that I cared for was the Supreme Life Vest at 8 seconds, the medium at 18 seconds, extra large at 25 seconds, the large at 26 seconds, and let's see, where did the kayak go? The kayak actually took a while. It was way quicker than what happened in the EU. The EU took 77 seconds. Here in the States, it took 45 seconds to sell out. All right, guys, I think that's about it for this video. I'm not too sure if there's gonna be a week 21 drop. I know, actually, I don't know. I'm not sure if they dropped any BOGOs this season. I'm pretty sure they didn't, according to my memory, but maybe they'll come up with a week 21 and drop a BOGO tee or a BOGO hoodie. We'll see. So did you cop during week 20? Did you get the kayak, life vest, or the towel? Let me know what you got in the comments below. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and please give me the thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. All right, guys, I'm Chris Catalunya, and we'll check you later. Cheers.